What if the reason bugs keep showing up in your home has nothing to do with how clean you are and everything to do with what you're not using? There are a few simple spices that insects absolutely hate. They're cheap, easy to find, and probably sitting in your kitchen right now. And once you understand why they work, you may never look at your spice rack the same way again. Let's be honest, dealing with bugs is frustrating. Ants on the counter, flies buzzing around fruit, mosquitoes ruining a relaxing evening outside. Most people grab a chemical spray without thinking twice. But here's the thing. A lot of store-bought bug sprays come with strong smells, harsh ingredients, and warning labels that make you pause. If you have kids or pets, that can feel uncomfortable. Even if you don't, filling your home with heavy fumes isn't exactly appealing. The good news is that certain spices naturally repel bugs, not because they're toxic bombs, but because insects rely heavily on smell, and some smells completely overwhelm or confuse them. Today we're going to talk about why bugs avoid these spices and how you can use them the smart way. By the end, you'll understand what's really going on when insects suddenly change direction and disappear. Let's start with one of the strongest natural bug repellents in your kitchen, cinnamon. It smells warm and sweet to us, especially in oatmeal or coffee, but to ants, it's intense and irritating. Ants follow scent trails to find food. Cinnamon disrupts those trails. If you sprinkle ground cinnamon along windowsills, door frames, or anywhere ants enter, it can confuse their path and send them looking somewhere else. You can also mix cinnamon essential oil with water and spray it lightly along entry points. The strong scent makes it hard for ants to communicate with each other. It's like erasing their map. Next up is black pepper. You probably use it every day without thinking about it, but bugs don't enjoy that sharp, spicy smell. Pepper can irritate insects' sensory systems. Sprinkling it in small amounts near cracks or holes can discourage ants and even some small crawling insects. It's not a miracle cure, but it creates an environment they don't like. Now let's talk about something that surprises a lot of people: garlic. Yes, the same garlic you roast with vegetables or mix into pasta sauce. Garlic contains natural sulfur compounds that give it that strong scent. To us, it smells bold and savory. To many insects, it smells overwhelming. Crushed garlic mixed with water can be sprayed around garden plants to help keep certain pests away. Some gardeners swear by it for protecting tomatoes and leafy greens. The smell fades for us quickly, but bugs still detect it. Cloves are another powerful spice. They have a sweet but strong aroma. Many flying insects, including mosquitoes, dislike the scent. You can place cloves in small bowls near windows or outdoor tables. Some people even stick cloves into halves of lemons and place them outside during summer evenings. It smells fresh to us, but acts like a natural barrier. Let's not forget about bay leaves. They're often tossed into soups and stews, but they also help repel pantry pests. If you've ever dealt with bugs in flour or rice, bay leaves can help discourage them. Placing a few in storage containers may reduce the chance of pantry insects settling in. It's simple and costs almost nothing. Another spice worth mentioning is cayenne pepper. It's hot, and that heat comes from a compound called capsaicin. While we feel the burn on our tongue, insects experience irritation through contact. Sprinkling cayenne lightly around garden borders can help deter certain crawling pests. Just be careful if you have pets, because it can irritate them too. Now here's something important. Spices don't work by instantly killing bugs. They work by overwhelming their senses. Insects rely heavily on smell more than we do. Their world is built on chemical signals. They find food, follow trails, and detect danger through scent. When you overwhelm that system with strong natural compounds, you don't just repel them, you disrupt their survival tools. That's powerful, and it means you don't always need something stronger, you need something smarter. Once you understand that, pest control stops being about spraying chemicals everywhere. It becomes about controlling the environment and using scent strategically. So let's keep it simple. Cinnamon confuses ant trails, garlic and cayenne overwhelm pests, cloves and bay leaves help protect pantry items. Strong natural scents make your home less attractive to insects. Pair those spices with clean habits, sealed containers, and reduced moisture, and you've got a smart, low-tox strategy. It's affordable, simple, and already in your kitchen. If this opened your eyes to new natural options, hit like and subscribe for more health and home tips that actually make sense. And I'd love to know, which spice are you most curious to try first to keep bugs away naturally?